one of the iconic or a very, very important feature on Kenya's skyline. This is a building that has been in place for so many years, having been built apparently by the Israelis. Now, the place has undergone a lot of renovation, and right now it is what you'd call some kind of world-class conference center. I want to see if I can take you around just to look at some features and how the KICC looks like. So come with me on a small tour of the Kenyatta International Conference Center. So this is how the KICC usually looks like. Okay, one of the iconic buildings that defines the Kenyan skyline. The Kenyan skyline cannot be defined. The Kenyan skyline cannot be imagined without the input of this important skyline, which is the KICC. So I just want to go around. Like recently, there was a conference that happened here. It was hosted by the African Development Bank, and that's why you can see there's a lot, so many tents that were used for culinary services. We had so many visitors coming from all over the world, including European countries, because they are also partners in what is the African Development Bank. So this is how the KICC usually looks like. It has very, very good and very, very nicely done manicured lawns, very, very nice flower vases. Those are some of the tents that hosted the culinary services of the conference that just ended. We'll just see if we can be able to see how they are laid out. Okay, because most of the crews just packing up the things, because now the conference is over, and just closing shop because the conference is now over. So this is how the whole thing was laid out, and this is the KICC. Okay, so that one must be what you call a VIP kind of setup. Okay, so we had so many tents, each of them, just specific for specific individuals. You see, all of them were red carpeted. Okay, we look inside this one. Let's peep inside. Look at how it is laid out. They're looking very, very nice, Okay. The internet connection and so many other things. Okay, so this is what you'd call the gardens, or the KICC gardens. Okay, so you can see this one was hosting what you call bilateral rooms, chambers, okay, where some bilateral meetings were held between some countries that attended this important conference. That's how the whole thing looks like. Okay, so these are the KICC gardens, and there was a very, very important meeting that was hosted in this area, which was the African Development Bank meeting that brought in so many heads of state into Kenya. And you cannot define the Kenyan skyline without the KICC. Okay, it is the iconic, or it signifies, or it actually shows that any picture that you will find there's a KICC in it, it defines what you call Kenya. That's how Kenya looks like, KICC signifies that is Kenya. So people, guys, are packing up their stuff. Because now the meeting is over, and what remains now is just the different groups or the different crews packing up their stuff in readiness to leave the gardens. So that's how the whole thing looks like. This is inside one of the places that hosted the culinary, or what you'd call visitors for refreshments and eateries, you know. And this is how it was actually set out, looking very, very magnificent, top class. Okay. So guys, this is the KICC, and a house which is renowned for being the skyline, or the defined skyline of Kenya. And I'm just taking you. You can see this is the VIP lunch area, what we've just seen right now. Okay, that is the entrance. So guys, this is the KICC. Okay. Okay, a building that defines the Kenyan skyline. But the Kenyan skyline cannot be the same without this iconic building, you know. You can see from the far end the police just doing what they call a debrief after having secured the place for the many visitors who had come for the AFDB conference that ended today. Okay, that is the statue of the founding father of Kenya, Mzee Jomo Kenyatta, over there. And then on the other side you can see the judiciary of Kenya just imposing itself over there, but with a different entrance on the other side of the main road. This is how the KICC looks like. Kenya skyline, you know. Okay, this is the building that has defined the Kenyan skyline for a very, very long time, since independence, and still just standing there, you know, maintaining what you call the pride of place. On the other side you can see the CBK pension towers. Okay, also just towering there, but the KICC one that defines the skyline of Kenya or Nairobi. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Very well kept, recently having been renovated. You cannot talk about Kenya without KICC. Okay? Talk about Kenya. Talk about the KICC as a feature, or a very, very important feature of Kenya. So guys, this is how it's laid out. You can see the crews just, you know, preparing to leave. This was the main conference area.
I am finished.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. For those who haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Don't just watch the video and leave it there. For those who've already subscribed, we want to thank you most sincerely for having done that, and we'll see you on another one. Bye.